Hey, y'all. One day I was talking to someone. I was telling them my story, right? And they didn't call me a liar after me telling them my story. Because my story is filled with ups and downs, a lot of sadness, right? And I think a lot of it was intentional, right? But I kind of like rose above it all and I was sharing my story. And the person said, they couldn't relate because their mother loved them. Their mother loved them. So they could not relate to what I was saying. They couldn't imagine it. I told them that I know their mother loved them. And I'm glad that their mother loved them. But in them saying what they said to me confirmed what I had been feeling, but been trying to hide it all these years because it just doesn't make good sense and it's not something that people consider. But when he said what he said, he don't understand because he knows that his mother loved him, was revealing to me and confirmation for me that I never experienced a mother's love. I've never experienced that. And it's sad and it's freedom all in the same thing. It's sad to know that, but there's freedom in knowing that. Y'all, love those who love you. And if you can't tell the difference, how does that person that you're trying to love, that you want to love, how do they make you feel? For real. How do they make you feel? Because just because they got the title mommy, daddy, sister, brother, friend, how do you feel when you're around that person? Just because they a mama, they shitted out a baby, they hate themselves. And what they got for you, it ain't love. Hate to say it, it ain't love.